Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this super easy Poetry Bob Locs. It was sent to me from Jane Collection. Thank you so much, Jane Collection, for sending these beautiful locks to me. And yeah, let's just head right into it. So the first thing I did was to apply a leave-in conditioner on my hair. My hair was wet because I just got right out of the shower. I just washed it, so I just went in with a leave-in conditioner, and I also went in with a random olive oil as well. And when I was done with that, I started to put my hair into tiny puffs with the help of a rubber band. Back in Nigeria, we call this hairstyle puff puff. I don't know what else to call it besides that. I was just putting it into tiny puffs. So yeah, this is a very good method to use if you don't know how to braid your hair, if you don't know how to do cornrows, or if you have short hair like mine and you still want to be able to achieve this kind of hairstyles with it. This is a very good method to use.
How did we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? Cause really I don't see the benefits now. When you're broken my trust, so I just...
When I was done putting my hair into tiny puffs, I went on to furthermore moisturize my scalp with this hair growth oil. I'm going to have information about it in the description box just in case you're interested. And now we're going to move on to attaching the locks. And like I said earlier, this locks was sent to me by Jane Collection. It's from the Nala Tress line, and this is in the style 3X Poetry Bob Locs. And this locks comes in 3 different inches. It comes in 10, 12 and 14 in the same pack. So you could decide to start with the short one first or with the long one first, just depending on what you're going for. But for me today, I started with the short one because I was going for like the blunt bob look and I wasn't going for layered bob. So if you're going for like a layered bob, you can start with like the longest one first. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and start attaching that. And to attach the locks, I'm going to put the crochet needle underneath the rubber band, and I'm going to attach the locks to the crochet needle, and I'm going to pull gently. And when that is in, I'm going to put the bottom part into the loop and just kind of tie that into a knot. I hope you guys understand this explanation, or I hope the video is showing what I'm doing. And yeah, that was pretty much all I did all through. And after attaching the locks, I went on to twist my hair and I hid that into the locks. And I started off by doing just one extension on one puff, but then I wanted it to be full. So starting from the second line, I started to do 2 extensions to one puff. And you don't necessarily have to do this if you don't want yours to be too full, but because I wanted it to be full, that was why I started to do 2 extensions to one lock starting from the one puff, starting from the second line. And I pretty much did that all through till I got to the front, and I switched back to one lock per hair. So I'm just going to let you guys watch and see how I do it.
Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on. I don't want it to stop. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like a war zone, I still care about us. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, I know that it's difficult dealing with emotions, but I want you to know that you'll always be on my mind. Even in the hard times, I care about you. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, love you a little bit more. 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 How do you move on when everything is wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what you said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, love you a little bit more. Just a little bit. Love you a little bit more. Love you a little bit more. Just a little bit. Love you a little bit more. Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much further. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I'm withering under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. Let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I would. Now I
you guys, so now we're done, and this is her, and how gorgeous is this, you guys? Like, this turned out really nice, and I used a total of 3 packs for this here. And yeah, we're just going to move to day 2, because this was day 2 and this was me styling the hair and ready to slay. And yes, I can't count how many times I've said that. Yeah, I think I say that all the time. Anyways, you guys, that pretty much brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.